So, okay, this is 40 and this is x. We've been told to find x. Now you would notice that the angles, they all meet at a point. And what is the sum of angle at a point? The sum of angle at a point is 360. So for us to solve this, we would have to add up all of this and equate them to 360. So we have 110 plus 70 degrees plus 40 degrees plus x equals to 360. Why? There are angles at a point, sum of angles at a point. So let's add up these guys here. 70 plus 40 is 110. 110 plus 110 is 220. 220 degrees plus x equals to 360. Now I need to solve for x. What do? I have to eliminate this guy. For me to do that, because 220 is positive here, I would have to subtract 220 degrees from both sides. This cancels out this, so I'm left with 0, 4, 1. So it means that x equals 140 degrees. And if you want to check, you can decide to add up all of this and add 140 to it. When we added up all of this, we got 220. And then if we add up 140 to it, we'll get 360. Voila. This shows that our answer is correct. So if you're not sure, you can always put back your answer into the equation to see if you are correct. So we want to, let's solve this. All right, this is beautiful. This is amazing. This is another beautiful question. What fraction of 6 weeks is 6 days? What fraction? Sorry. Okay, so. Alright, so I think my light just disappointed me. It's still clear enough, yeah, it's still clear. So we can continue without it. Okay, yeah, we're back. Oh my god. So what fraction of 6 weeks is it? What fraction of 6 weeks is 6 days? So what fraction of 6 weeks is 6 days? So this would be 6 days over 6 weeks. We use is over off when you are trying to compare in fractions. Is over off. So 6 days over 6 weeks. But you will notice that their units are different. So 6 days, we need to convert our weeks to days. How many days make 1 week? 7 days make 1 week. So we have to multiply this by 7. So this would be 42 days. Now that they are of the same units, 6 will go here 1, 6 will go here 7. So it means our final answer is 1/7. This is the fraction. Fraction of 6 weeks. What fraction of 6 weeks, 6 days is 1/7. Okay, so next we'll have, we are told to find the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is basically addition of all sides. So if you are told to find the perimeter of a triangle, you just add up all of its sides. I don't want us to waste time solving that. Okay, so we have need to write 2015 in Roman numerals. You need to write 2015 in Roman numerals. First thing you would do is to break it down, expand it. 2015 in Roman numerals is, sorry, I need to, okay, so I need to expand this. So this is 2000 plus 10 plus 5. So what is 2000 in Roman numerals? 2000 in Roman numerals is mm. 1000 is m, so 2000 mm, and 10 is x, while our 5 is v. So 2015 is mmxv. Now we've been told to, okay, we have this sequence. We have this sequence 2, 5, 9, 14, 20, and it goes on and on. Then we've been told to find the next two terms. Find the next two terms. Now let's study this sequence. From 2 to 5, you have to add 3. From 5 to 9, you add 4. From 9 to 14, you add 5. From 14 to 20, you add 6. We'll be told to find the next two terms. So since 14 to 20 gets us, you add 6. To get the next term, it will be plus 7, which will give us 27. And to get the next term will be plus 8, which will give us 35. So the next two terms are 27 and 35. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So then we have x squared minus 81. We're told to factorize this. This is a clear case of difference of two squares. And for us to solve this, we need to put this as in a squared form. So this can be written as x squared minus 9 squared. And from our difference of two squares, when we have, let's say we have this a squared minus b squared, this can be factorized into a minus b and a plus b. So since we have x squared minus 9 squared, this will be factorized into x minus 9 and x plus 9. And if you want to try to check, if you try to expand this, it will take you back to this. Let's try it. X times x is x squared. Multiply this with this. Then you multiply this with this. X times 9 is 9x. Then negative 9 times x is negative 9x. And negative 9 times 9 is negative 81. 9x minus 9x will cancel out. So you have x squared minus 81. Voila. It takes us back here. So whenever you see this question, whenever you see something like this, and you can see that the second digit can be made into a perfect square, it is just difference of two squares, and you use this format. But remember, it has to be different.